that time in the month where I unwrap my Goddess Provisions box. So let's get into it. Ooh, this one looks jam-packed. So what do we have today? We have, first things first, the Star Clairvoyance Mist. Oh yeah, so this one's all about tarot, this box. So first up we have the Star by October Occult. Awesome. And that is a Clairvoyance Mist. Rose quartz crystal infused full moon water, neroli, orange blossom, jasmine flowers and sandalwood. Gonna give that a little spray. And that is absolutely lovely. So first item, and right on top of the box here is a vanilla scent natural air freshener. So that is awesome. That can go in the car. And it says rechargeable. Add 10 to 15 drops of your favourite essential oil blend to the hanger after the scent fades, approximately 2 to 3 weeks after opening. So that is made by Goddess Provisions. I'm a creation of divine energies. I tell you what, these boxes just get better and better. Here is the card. Postcard, ask and you shall receive. That's lovely, isn't it? So, what crystal have we got this week? We've got some raw fluorite. Wow, which is an amazing colour. At first, I thought that was a bit of raw citrine, but it's actually fluorite. Awesome. What's next? Oh, the tea. Taro fruit blend, loose leaf herbal tea. Very nice. And I'm actually thinking these are great to take away on holiday. I must admit, I'm not a tea drinker. However, I think I could get into it. As you've seen on my Witching Week videos, I've started drinking it. And I'm just thinking that all these gorgeous, gorgeous packs from Goddess Provisions, some of which I have and I haven't opened, I'm thinking they'd be absolutely brilliant for taking on holiday with, because, you know, you get to the hotel and, you know, they have a little selection, but how nice to just take something magical with you. Ooh, and we've got some more cards. These are Oracle trading cards and they've been created by Goddess Provisions. How awesome is that? Let's have a look. Let's open them up. Oh, these are lovely. Look at that. The Fool. The Magician. Oh, so this is an actual tarot. It says Oracle trading cards on the back, but this looks to me very much like an actual deck. The High Priestess. The Empress, which is a card I've actually appeared in a deck as myself with some of my modelling work. Oh, they're so nice. The artwork on these is just beautiful. Look at the lovers. And then, so I think this is going to be quite a quick box to open, but, oh, I've mixed them up, hang on. There's something big in here. Oh, what's this? Oh, we've got a sticker. which is lovely, and it says scan with your phone to win the entire 22 sticker set. Isn't that awesome? Now this looks amazing. What is this? It looks like it is a box, a container for your tarot cards, which is amazing. Look at that. Don't know if you can see that. Just showing it in the other camera here, because I'll upload this to Instagram. Wow, look at that. Ask and you shall receive. Isn't that wonderful? And then you can just put your cards in there. That's absolutely awesome. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. And there are, oh, that's really lovely. Cups, wands, the pentacles, obviously, and then swords, although they're more like knives, and then these little cute cups of tea. Don't quite know if you can see that. Isn't that cute? Awesome. I'm not going to get that in there, so put that on the side. And then it does look like there's one last thing. Ooh, I know what this is. What does it say on the corner? Seed of Creation. And it is, I take it, a little cloth. For either wrapping your tarot in, or you could actually do all your cards onto the top, look. Oops. How awesome is that? Right, thanks ever so much for watching. It was just a really quick one this month. Didn't really have time to go through those items too sort of in depth, but you get the idea. It's just a quick unboxing video anyway. And this should give you some idea of what's in Goddess Provisions boxes. If you want more information, have a look at the July unboxing video, and also check the comment under the video because I put all the information there as well. So, okay everybody, thank you, and thank you Goddess Provisions for sending that awesome box. Bye!